Hi everyone, Marianne Cowan here from Pinery Paper Crafts, and I'm just giving you a sneak peek into my upcoming class, Spring Fling. Have you ever wondered what one of my class kits contains? Well, today I'm going to give you a sneak peek and show you exactly what you would get in one of my class kits. My kits are only available in Canada. They will ship anywhere in Canada. However, if you don't live in Canada, you are able to purchase the PDF tutorial, which contains a video showing you how to put all the cards and, in this case, a little Easter basket together. So my upcoming class is Spring Fling. It is March 28th, and it is in person or to go. This is my first in-person class since winter, because here in Ottawa, the weather is very unpredictable. So if you're in the Ottawa area and you'd like to come in person, that's great. Otherwise, I can ship it right to your door. The video will be pre-recorded, so you can watch and make the cards anytime. So let me show you what's in this particular class. So for this class, we're making 12 cards, 6 designs, 2 of each. And I'm just going to show them to you quickly because there has to be some surprises. So there's this one. Beautiful little tulips. In Ottawa, we have the Tulip Festival, so I really like that one. Happy Easter with all the beautiful Easter Joy paper. Here's a fun fold using the Cute as a Bug paper. Here's another one with all of these are pre-cut for you. The bows are tied. Everything's ready to go. And I think this one's one of my favorite. Simple, but really pretty. And it's using one of our new embossing folders. So the PDF will include a product list. So if you're interested in purchasing anything, then you can do that in my online store. For this class, there's also this adorable little Easter basket, and I do even include the chocolates, the shreddy, and the bow. And for this one, you have to tie the bow around it, so you'll get some ribbon as well. So you'll get your little bag of your candy and shreddies, and you will get all the pieces ready for you to assemble. And I will show you in the video how to put this together. It's very simple, but if you've never done it has a little box on the bottom. So if you've never done that before, the video will help you. You also receive the Easter assortment, and up at the top are the little yellow ones that I used on this card. And then there's other ones that you can use on the other cards as well. And then you get, I always give you a mat so you can create on. And sometimes it's decorated. And then you get, so for this one, there's going to be 6 envelopes. And you can see which each card is. And I'm just going to show you how prepared you will be. You have to stamp your own sentiments. I can't stamp anything for you. So you will have to stamp your own sentiments. But everything else is prepared for you, and it comes, each card is housed in its own envelope. So I do provide envelopes. You will have the envelope here, and you will have another envelope here. So let me just show you how much I prep for you. So this is the card with the little Easter basket. So your bows are there, your 2 baskets are there, your little strips for weaving, your little grass, and all your little eggs are there as well. So all you have to do is put your card together. This one I didn't even put a sentiment on my sample, but obviously you can do whatever you like. These are just samples, so go to town and be as creative as you want. I just really like this Easter Joy paper. It's really bright and fun. So you would have 6 envelopes complete with all your materials. For the fun fold, I've scored it where you need it to be scored. And then you will have a video tutorial showing you how to put together all of these awesome cards. So if you'd like more information, mariannecowan.com/events, and you can register there. Thanks, and I hope to see you at a class soon. Don't forget, the kit is only available in Canada, but the PDF tutorial complete with video will be available in my, it will be available on my website, mariannecowan.com. Thanks, and have a great day.